You have been grinding for weeks, editing, optimizing, studying the algorithm, yet your views stay flat. But here's what no one tells you. Right now, creators using ChatGPT and AI tool are exploding past you. Not because their content is better, but because their system is smarter. And here's a question no one wants to answer. What if the algorithm actually preferred AI-powered content and you've been doing everything manually for nothing? These creators are automating what most YouTubers waste 10 plus hours on, and the algorithm love it. So in this video, you're not just getting a list of tools, you're getting the exact AI blueprint top creators are using to go viral without burning out. And if you stay until the end, you will be able to build it for your channel today. Section 1. Rapid idea generation that triggers the algorithm. If your video topic doesn't grab attention in the first 3 seconds, your content dies before it even starts. So let's break down the first step using AI to generate a video ideas that not just good, but designed for discovery. Here's how to approach it. Start with your hardest obsession, not your niche. Prompt ChatGPT with, give me 15 viral video ideas about YouTube SEO problem creators are actually complaining about right now. You instantly get idea based on real pain, urgency, and curiosity, the stuff that hook viewers. Follow up with, add high volume keyword into these titles using TubeBuddy or vidIQ top search data. And to visualize content for each idea, give me a thumbnail concept with a contrast image and emotional words. Suddenly, you've got videos idea, title, and thumbnail blueprint optimized for discovery, and it only took you 5 minutes. But if you stop at the idea, your video still dies. Because even the best ideas need to hold attention. Let's talk about what actually keep people watching. That take me section 2. Scripting that build retention without sounding AI generated. You have 3 to 10 seconds to convince someone to stay, and most creators lose that battle in the first few lines. This is where ChatGPT become your secret weapon. Not just writing fast, but writing smart. Start with a structured design for retention. Prompt with, outline a YouTube video that's scripted in 3-act hook. Pain plus curiosity. Core strategy, step by step, and close future pacing plus CTA. Then add open loop to keep the audience watching. Add an open loop every 45 seconds that build tension and promise something later in the video. Now humanize it. Make the script sound more controversial, like it's been spoken directly to a frustrating but ambitious YouTuber. You're not just filling space, you're writing with rhythm, with tension, with clarity, and most importantly, you're keeping them watching. Retention or retention, but virality begin with the click. Let's automate your click-through strategy next. Section 3. Title plus thumbnail that demand attention with AI speed. Click-through rate is one of the most powerful levers in YouTube growth, and AI lets you test high-performing packaging faster than ever. Start with title variation. Give me 7 YouTube titles using format like curiosity, fear, secret, before and after, drama. Now ask ChatGPT to analyze. Rank these 7 titles based on tension. Explain why each one works. Once you have the title locked, prompt ChatGPT for each title. Give me a thumbnail visual idea with clear objective contrast and emotional trigger words and a symbol, for example, red X, arrow, warning icon. Tool like Canva, Adobe, Firefly now let you turn these concepts into a visual draft instantly. But this isn't about saving time, it's about increasing performance. Rapid testing with AI means you're not just guessing what will get clicked, you're building certainty before you publish. But even if they click and even if they watch, there's one more lever most creators completely miss. Let's talk about connecting everything into a system YouTube can't ignore. Step 4, building your AI-powered growth loop. Here's the next level. Using AI to build a full loop that keep people watching across multiple videos. Prompt ChatGPT with, turn these 10 video ideas into a bingeable content loop that drives subscriber and watch session. You'll get a roadmap that flow video into video. That's how you increase session time, and that's the signal YouTube rewards most. Now, go deeper. Write a high engagement pinned comment that asks a question about this video core topic. Give me 3 coming to poll ideas that tease upcoming video based on this one. Suddenly, your growth system doesn't stop at upload. It feeds forward into loop, it stacks, and that's when channels start compounding. ChatGPT isn't just a shortcut, it's a strategy, and now you have the blueprint. So let's close this video out with a recap. The future isn't later, it's right now. The creators winning in 2025, they're not working 10x harder. They're just automating the part that slows everyone else down. ChatGPT isn't just a shortcut, it's a strategy, and now you have the blueprint. First, rapid idea generation built on emotional tension. Second, retention first scripting with real viewer spacing. Third, thumbnail and title designed to win the click. Fourth, add a loop that keep people watching for hours. You're not behind, you're just one system away. So copy the prompt, build a system. If you want more of these breakdowns, subscribe. The next video reveal how AI creators are using retention trick most people haven't even discovered yet. Let me make your next upload your breakthrough. Let's grow smart. Build a system that works. Remember to smash that like button, share with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next one.